Charlie, why do these smart devices never talk to each other? Well, it's because of the language they use. Today, let's talk about smart home communication protocols. Communication protocols in general are just standards and procedures that allow devices to communicate. Today, we are going to look at 5 most common smart home communication protocols that are widely used in the industry. We are going to talk about them briefly. First on the list is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is very popular, it's easy to set up, and the go-to in every home. Chances are you are watching this very video on a Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi is like a big trotro. It carries a lot of data, videos, music, pictures, movies, but it drains batteries faster and gets jammed in traffic. So if you have a lot of devices connected to your home network, home Wi-Fi network, watch out for slow connections and interruptions and instabilities. Second on the list is Zigbee and Z-Wave. You may or may not have heard of them, but these are mesh communication protocols and they are widely used in the smart home ecosystem. You mostly find them in larger smart home setups and automation projects. Zigbee and Z-Wave are very reliable and efficient, and they are mostly recommended in larger setups. You can connect a lot of devices from 100 up to even 300 devices on a Zigbee mesh network, depending on the coordinator that you actually use. Third on the list is the almighty Bluetooth. You know, a while back, Bluetooth was the go-to when transferring files from one phone to the other, from a phone to a laptop. It's still used though. Bluetooth is widely used in the smart home ecosystem. You can find them in smart speakers and even non-smart speakers as well. Bluetooth is more like asking your sibling to pass you the TV remote. It works close range. If the distance becomes a bit longer, you start having issues with connections and instabilities. Now we have BLE, which is the fourth protocol. It stands for Bluetooth Low Energy. It is an optimized and improved version of the Bluetooth 5.0 and 5.1 that we see in our smart speakers and other Bluetooth devices. This communication protocol is optimized for low power devices and mostly sensors. Yeah, so devices that use less power. So you may find them in smart humidity and temperature sensors, contact sensors, vibration sensors, and all of these sensors. They are very efficient and they consume less power, and they are mostly battery powered devices. Last on the list is Matter, the new guy in town. Remember earlier on in this video I did mention that these smart devices are unable to communicate with each other. You can have smart devices from different companies that are on the same protocol. So you can have smart Wi-Fi product from a different brand, a smart speaker from a different brand, but will not be able to communicate well with each other. The reason is, while being on the same protocol, they have different standards. That is where Matter comes in. Matter is now more like the universal language. So with the help of Matter, devices from different manufacturers and different vendors will be able to communicate with each other effectively. Yes, if you want an in-depth version of me talking about these communication protocols and other protocols I did not mention in this video, check the link in the comment section to watch the full video on YouTube. Like and follow for more smart home tech tips. Your smart home simplified.